Absolutely, Cycle Forward has benefited from working with this center, and I would recommend the same to other businesses. Hi, my name is Amy Camp. My business is Cycle Forward. I consult communities on how they can better connect to and draw benefit from trails. I work throughout southwestern Pennsylvania and also all over the United States and parts of Canada. What I do with Cycle Forward is I help communities to understand the needs of trail users and all of the ways that communities benefit by embracing trails and the things that they need to do, the steps that they need to take to better connect to and accommodate trails in their places. I offer workshops, I facilitate meetings, I assist with strategic planning, and I do various different consulting projects for my clients. So really exciting for me is I recently celebrated 10 years in business, and I'm sort of moving into that next stage of Cycle Forward. I was able to hire for the first time last year, and so it's really expanding my ability to serve my clients and take on more projects, and it's really gratifying to be able to be in this place and looking forward to what's next. I have always recommended SBDCs in general to other business owners in my own consulting work, in my days working for nonprofits. But you know, I've been now a client, and I would definitely recommend the Duquesne University SBDC to other business owners. This is a real time of growth for me in general, but you know, the support that I received from this center allowed me to move forward in hiring, and that was a really big step for me as a sole proprietor. And having a person on board, another person on board, was able to allow me to take on more projects, to pursue more projects. And what was already a busy time, I am now able to take on even more, which is great for my business. It's just been really helpful to me to have somebody who's objective, who doesn't really understand my business, come in and take a look at it, and to provide support to me and to provide resources, to provide connections. Absolutely, Cycle Forward has benefited from working with this center, and I would recommend the same to other businesses.